11 Best Lightweight Rifles for Mountain Hunting 2025. Hunting in the mountains is a test of endurance, precision, and determination. When you're scaling steep terrains or traversing rugged landscapes, every ounce of weight matters. That's why a lightweight rifle is not just a convenience. It's a necessity for hunters aiming for success without being weighed down. These rifles are designed to be portable yet powerful, ensuring you don't compromise accuracy or performance while on the move. Barrett Fieldcraft. The Barrett Fieldcraft is a masterpiece of lightweight engineering, designed for those who refuse to compromise on quality or performance in the mountains. Weighing just 5 pounds in its lightest configurations, this rifle is chambered in calibers such as 6.5 Creedmoor, 243 Winchester, and 308 Winchester, making it perfect for versatile mountain hunting scenarios. Its carbon fiber stock, paired with a stainless steel action, ensures durability and lightweight handling even in harsh environments. What truly sets the Fieldcraft apart is its precision. The match-grade barrel is expertly crafted to deliver sub-MOA accuracy, a vital feature for long-range shots in open mountainous terrains. The rifle's balance and ergonomic design make it feel almost effortless to carry, even on steep ascents. Kimber 84M Mountain Ascent. The Kimber 84M Mountain Ascent is the gold standard for lightweight mountain rifles, weighing in at an impressive 4 pounds, 13 ounces in its 308 Winchester configuration. This rifle is available in calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and 280 Ackley improved, offering exceptional versatility for different hunting needs. With a stainless steel barrel and a weather-resistant finish, it's designed to perform flawlessly in unpredictable mountain climates. The Mountain Ascent stock is a game-changer. Constructed from reinforced carbon fiber, it is not only lightweight but also remarkably strong. The stock's textured grip and built-in recoil pad provide comfort and stability, even during extended hunts. Kimber's controlled round feed action and precision machined components ensure smooth cycling and consistent accuracy. Weatherby Mark V Backcountry Tie. The Weatherby Mark V Backcountry Tie is a pinnacle of innovation, blending feature-like construction with Weatherby's legendary performance. Weighing just 4.9 pounds in its lightest configuration, this rifle is chambered in powerful calibers like 6.5, 300 Weatherby Magnum, 257 Weatherby Magnum, and 280 Ackley improved. These calibers are tailor-made for long-range accuracy and stopping power, crucial for high-altitude hunting. Its titanium receiver is the secret to its ultralight build, paired with a carbon fiber stock that reduces weight without sacrificing strength. The Backcountry T features a fluted barrel and a muzzle brake to minimize recoil, making it comfortable for repeated use. Tikka T3x Superlite. The Tikka T3x Superlite is a favorite among mountain hunters for its reliability, affordability, and lightweight build. Weighing just over 6 pounds, it comes in versatile calibers like 7mm Remington Magnum, 30-06 Springfield, and 6.5 Creedmoor, making it suitable for a wide range of game species. Its cold hammer forged barrel is designed for durability and accuracy, ensuring consistent results in the field. The modular synthetic stock of the T3x Superlite offers unparalleled customization. You can adjust the grip to suit your preference, providing comfort and stability on uneven terrain. The smooth bolt action and crisp trigger pull make every shot a joy to execute. With its rugged build and dependable performance, the T3x Superlite is a practical yet powerful choice for mountain hunting. Bergara Premier Mountain 2.0. The Bergara Premier Mountain 2.0 combines cutting-edge technology with Bergara's legendary accuracy. Weighing around 6.2 pounds, it is chambered in calibers like 308 Winchester and 6.5 PRC, which deliver the power needed for mountain game like elk and mule deer. Its stainless steel barrel is coated with a Cerakote finish, providing durability and weather resistance in extreme environments. The carbon fiber stock is both lightweight and robust, designed to minimize recoil and enhance shooting comfort. With Bergara's precision barrel-making process, this rifle guarantees sub-MOA accuracy. Whether hiking through dense forests or taking long shots in open terrain, the Premier Mountain 2.0 is engineered to exceed expectations in the wild. Christensen Arms Ridgeline. The Christensen Arms Ridgeline is a trailblazer in the world of lightweight hunting rifles. Weighing just 6.3 pounds, it features a carbon fiber wrapped barrel and an ergonomic carbon fiber stock. Available in calibers like 300 Winchester Magnum, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 280 Ackley improved. This rifle is built for long-range precision and power. The Ridgeline's adjustable match-grade trigger and proprietary muzzle brake make shooting an effortless experience. Its sleek design is matched by its performance, delivering consistent accuracy and reliability, even in extreme conditions. For hunters seeking a rifle that blends innovation with tradition, the Ridgeline is a top-tier choice. Rifles Incorporated Strata Stainless. The Rifles Incorporated Strata Stainless is a custom-built marvel that sets the bar for lightweight hunting rifles. Weighing just 5 pounds, it's chambered in calibers like 270 Winchester and 300 DAW-SM, offering powerful options for mountain game. Its stainless steel barrel and carbon fiber stock are crafted to endure rugged conditions while keeping weight to a minimum. This rifle's match-grade accuracy and smooth action make it a dream for hunters pursuing elusive prey in challenging terrains. Every component is meticulously designed for performance, ensuring the Strata Stainless excels in the mountains where every ounce and every shot counts. Savage Model 110 Ultralite. The Savage Model 110 Ultralite is an innovative choice for hunters looking for cutting-edge technology in a lightweight package. Weighing 6 pounds, it features a PROF Research carbon fiber wrapped barrel that enhances accuracy while reducing weight. Available in calibers like 280 Ackley improved and 6.5 Creedmoor, it delivers versatility and power. Its AccuFit stock system allows hunters to adjust the length of pull and comb height, ensuring a perfect fit. Combined with Savage's AccuTrigger for a crisp pull, the Model 110 Ultralite is designed for precise, comfortable shooting. This rifle stands out for its blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. Winchester Model 70 Extreme Weather SS. The Winchester Model 70 Extreme Weather SS is a classic rifle reimagined for mountain hunting. Weighing just under 7 pounds, it is chambered in calibers like 30-06 Springfield and 270 Winchester, making it a versatile choice for various game. Its Bell & Carlson synthetic stock and stainless steel barrel provide durability and weather resistance. The Model 70's controlled round feed action and MOA trigger system deliver consistent performance. Whether braving snow, rain, or rocky terrain, this rifle is a dependable companion for the mountains. ThompsonCenter Compass Utility. The ThompsonCenter Compass Utility offers an affordable yet reliable option for mountain hunters. Weighing around 7 pounds, it is chambered in calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and 308 Winchester, providing flexibility for different hunting scenarios. Its synthetic stock and corrosion-resistant barrel are built for rugged use. The Compass Utility includes an adjustable trigger and free-floated barrel, ensuring accuracy at an exceptional value. For hunters seeking a lightweight and budget-friendly rifle, this is an excellent choice. Ruger M77 Hawkeye All-Weather. The Ruger M77 Hawkeye All-Weather is built to withstand the toughest mountain conditions. Weighing approximately 7 pounds, it's chambered in calibers like 300 Winchester Magnum and 270 Winchester. Its stainless steel barrel and synthetic stock ensure reliability and durability in extreme weather. The controlled round feed bolt action provides consistent cycling, while the LC6 trigger offers a smooth, crisp pull. With its robust construction and proven performance, the Hawkeye All-Weather is a trusted choice for mountain hunters. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.